Alright, buckle up people, because today we're diving into the world of the Nike Dunk. To the sneakerhead community, the Dunk should be dunked in the trash can. But for everyone else who don't really care about the hype, these are still the go-to. For me, I saw them as just meh, you know, meh. I wasn't compelled to buy them until now. This is the Nike Dunk Superb.
This is how I'll be getting down, This is how it is really done, they can't figure out. They don't understand, so they want me down and out. Hey, we ain't going out like that, we ain't going out like that. Watch me go and bounce right back, down for the count, but the hound strike back. It get like that, I don't wanna hear it, but you hit me right back. They talking, they told me.
There is something very special about these, and I will tell you about this later on in the video. Now, I know some of you sneakerheads are all about the sizing, pricing and comfort, so fear not, my friends. We're diving into the nitty gritty, but first, let's talk about the Dunk Superb, the hero we didn't know we need in the sneaker world, destined to bring the Dunks back to the top.
Or maybe I'm up to my wits' ends with all of your stiff trends. I'm sick of the system. I'm not into religion, I need something higher and bigger to fix this.
As I said, I didn't really care about the Dunks despite how popular they were. My eyebrows did raise a bit when it came to the SB Dunks, but I thought the hype was too much for such a basic trainer. I did start to soften when I got my daughter the pandas, and she was so cute, so cute.
Well, I never finished first, but it's time I put the business first. Cause we ain't going out like that.
The Nike Dunk Superb was released the early part of October on the Nike website, and to be honest, I couldn't believe the price. Before we get into the facts and figures, let's take a look at the whole shoe for a minute.
Going out like that, watch me go and bounce right back. We ain't going out like
that. Something draws me to the trainer. They look like the pandas, but it's not. They also look like the Jordan 1 Low, however, they are not. But they are inspired by two other sneakers other than the AJ1. Let's have a bit of fun. Do we know what the two other sneakers are that inspired the Dunk? I will let you know later on in the video, so stick with me. There are so many colorways for this trainer, like black, white, blue, green, and all the colors of the rainbow. I saw a color called Sunburn Sunrise. As I said earlier, despite the range of colors, none of them tickled my fancy. Or maybe I was just resistant to follow the crowd unless it was compelled. Anyway, let's get into the detail, my dear Watson. Let's get into the detail. Let me just highlight there was two unexpected features on this sneaker, which I will let you know about by the end of this segment. The Nike Dunk Superb color is black, white, and superb sesame. Does this color blocking make this sneaker superb? I would say no. However, the sesame color found here doesn't look too bad. It does break up the black and white nicely.
I've got no license left, cause I drove against red. This is how things go when I'm on the road. Drive like I'm all alone and think I run the show. Cause I got a lot of shit to learn and to go somewhere I need to do.
So what does make this sneaker superb, but not the main reason, is material on these Dunks. You have leather surrounding the majority of the upper, and it's tumble leather as well, so that is a sign of good quality. It feels nice and supple, and then you have this suede wrapping around the front toe buck and along the eyelet on both sides. So again, that sets a premium type level. Suede has a print, I think looks like croc style print, which is cool. However, it does feel flat and not luxurious. I didn't like this because I do love a fairy suede. Nike branding can be found embroidered at the back in black, coupled with the sesame croc print and the white leather on the heel. This looked really delicious.
I say yes to life, I say yes to my wife, I say yes to our family, yes to our child to be, yes to this life I'm here. No, I don't fear, I say yes to a family, yes to a remedy, yes to my
Nike tick on the tongue with the Superb written above, and then an unexpected feature number 1 on the laces at the bottom of the tongue. Did you spot it? Did you see what I saw? Yep, I'm being silly. Yep, the Nike Lace Dual. I'm in two minds about this. When I first saw it, when I pulled out the box, I wasn't sure. So let me know, to dual or not to dual. Going down to the midsole, this is typical of Dunks. But next is unexpected feature number 2, in which can be found on the outsole. This is meant to be a gum sole, but it's transparent. Has Nike done this on a Dunk before? Because I don't know, I've never seen this before. All you Dunk aficionados, let me know in the comments below if this has been done on a Dunk before. This is an interesting take on the gum sole. I like it, but I would have preferred a lighter non-transparent gum sole, which would have complemented the sesame little color detail on the heel. Alright, here we go. Comfort, size and price. Let's start with the comfort. If you are a Dunk fan, you know the comfort is nothing to write home about. It seems flat as the ironing boards on the foot. Cushioning is at its minimum, but not like walking on concrete. But on the other hand, the toe space is good. It doesn't feel like you are squeezing your foot into a funnel. You know, there's a bit of wiggle room. I'll be confident that these shoes are true to size. You don't have to do anything different with these. The price, wow, the price is reasonable. A typical Dunk costs between £100 and £120. The Superbs are priced at £135, which is not too high considering the quality. Although, ideally, I would prefer if all high quality trainers were closer to the £100 mark, because, you know, cost of living is costing. But it is what it is. What makes these Nike Dunk Superb special? It's a combination of a few things. Now, we're going to go down the list. 1, the color combo. The colors picked on this one are simple and therefore easy to match with the majority of anything in your wardrobe. So this is why this particular colorway is banging. I challenge anyone to find something which these trainers don't work with. 2, material is really good. Tumble level is nice. Suede is nice, apart from the lack of fairiness. And the main superb feature, I might not guess, is the design. See ya. These are my first ever Dunks, and it was designed by me. Now let me know if you kind of spotted it, if you actually thought, actually this is Nike and this is an OEM looking type sneaker, general release type sneaker, or a limited edition sneaker. It's something that you can produce yourself. You can find it in the Nike Dunk by You Unlocked. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you thought this was a real deal. If you do like them and you want to know the spec, give me a shout in the comments below, and I'm glad they give you the spec. I mentioned that I would share the other 2 sneakers that inspired Dunks. Well, many of you might already know about this, but some of you might not, you know. But if you didn't, what alongside the AJ1 inspired Dunks was the Air Force 1 and the Terminator. For another video on a sneaker that was hyped but didn't quite take off, take a look at this video.
I might go forever, go for eons. Friend like you don't be on. Pull up in the Tesla, Elon.